What's up, boys? Back at it with another... Fuck! What's up, boys? Back at it with another video. I made back my money from yesterday, so that's all good. I made like 250, 300 from this trade. Nothing crazy. Another little leverage trade. And yesterday, I was talking about how I would only be bullish because there's so much low resistance liquidity that needed to get taken out. And guess what the fuck I did today? We took out that low resistance liquidity. All right, let's get into it. I'm done being a dumbass. So yeah, this was my trade for today. I traded on ES. Yesterday I traded on NQ, but today I traded ES. So I'm not going to be really talking about NQ because I didn't fucking do anything on it. So yeah, that's it. You know, traded ES. ES had relative equal highs for London and Asia session. So what that meant for me is I'm gonna get a fucking drink of water because my throat feels like there's dicks in it. Anyways, there was relative equal highs, meaning I was gonna target that for liquidity. But then when I was wanting to enter right here, it never broke structure to the upside. And then guess what happened? It took a shit. So instead I targeted this high right here and this high. Relative equal highs right here, and then I had highs right here that were taken out. I didn't really risk anything. Once again, it was Friday. I don't really like risking on Friday, especially super heavy. And along with that, Trump decided that tariffs were going to be a new thing. They were back, so the market dumped 0.7% in a matter of minutes because of Trump, which, I mean, whatever. He's a volatile president. Everyone knows it. So I can't really change anything about it. 1.8 risk to reward. It was only like a 1.1 to 1 for my first risk to reward. Second was 1.8. Yeah, let's get right into why I fucking took this trade. I mean, yesterday I was talking about how I was only going to be bullish. Well, not really. I was just kind of saying how all this low resistance liquidity needed to get taken out. And none of it got taken out because guess what it did? It created new low resistance liquidity. And same thing on NQ or ES. And honestly, if we don't take these highs out this week, by the end of today, I mean, that is, Monday is going to be a really good Monday. And yeah, but anyways, I was expecting all this low resistance liquidity to get taken out. But then price just decided to consolidate. And then Trump decided to speak. And boom, it took out these lows. There was no other lows for it to take out besides these ones all the way down here. So what did price in turn have to do? Price had to go up. There was no bearish anything for me today. Everything was bullish. And you might be like, if you really are saying why, look at how much liquidity is down here compared to up here. It already took out all of this liquidity. There's so much. It's like making me liquidate in my fucking pants right now. Pause. Anyways, there's so much liquidity. And yeah, there was just like nothing to get taken out. So what did I do? Basically get nothing taken out. Yeah, I didn't really do much about it besides sweep right here. Pretty fucking obvious where price is going to go. This was at 7 a.m. and price just consolidated in this range until market open. And I told myself also, I kind of just like brain farted, but like I told myself if market goes up, I'm not trading today. If market goes down to these lows, I'm not trading today. Those were my rules for today. And so what did I do? I fucking followed them. And I traded right here because price Didn't go down to those lows on ES. So in turn, I got in right here. Stops right there. Look at this. Equal highs on the 1 minute time frame. I was not taking any fucking chances today because I saw those equal highs and I was like, I'm probably going to come soon. So then I saw those equal highs, targeted it, and saw those highs right there, targeted it, 1.8 risk to reward ratio. Nothing crazy. I was really wanting these highs to get taken out as well, but I didn't have any more take profits to, do. So I just didn't do any, and it ended up working out in my favor. I took everything off at the highs, and then I took only very small amount off right here, and then another small amount, or the rest up here. And I was not willing for letting anything run for today. So yeah, today was pretty simple. It's going to be a little bit quicker of a trade recap just because it is simple. And I got a fucking dentist to go to in like 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. But anyways, took out this 5 minute low right here. Price easily respected the fuck out of it. And then I got in before news. There was revised consumer sentiment. I did not think it was going to do that much to the market. So I got in. This is kind of a news trade. The candle was 36 ticks. And yeah, I got in before news. I never really do that, but I was like, it's revised consumer sentiment. It's not going to fucking do anything to the market. And then I did that. And I was like, wow, I got extremely lucky for this trade, but it worked out in my favor, made a couple $100. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's all I got. I'm just trying to think of anything. This is just right off the dome piece. That's all I got for today though. So if you guys enjoyed this, like it up. Free Discord in the description. And then also, if you want to do coaching calls are in the description. Wow. Coaching calls are in the description too. But yeah, what should I title this? I'm not sure. Maybe like, I'll be like, college trader makes whatever, buy my course. That's going to be my title. I'm going to be like, I don't know. I made back the money I lost yesterday, so I'm happy. I didn't make a lot this week. I only made like $100, if that, honestly, from like this week in total. And I didn't make anything because I didn't really trade this week at all, which kind of sucks because, I mean, there's nothing you can do about it, but it kind of sucks just because of the fact I want more trades, I want more money, but then the money's going to come in the long term, so there's nothing I can do about it. And that kind of brings me to the fact, if you don't have a long-term mindset, you're not going to get anywhere with trading due to how long-term trading is. You're not going to see any progress in a month, you could see a month. You could see progress in 3 months, 2 months, or 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and a year. But you're not going to see progress in a week, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, even a month. You're never going to see your progress shine from there. You can have one good month and it's not going to mean fucking anything because guess what? The next month you could lose everything. But in the same factor, you could have a really shitty month and it could mean nothing because in your long term, you're profitable. In your short term, you're not, which is fine. It's fine to not be good short term. Today, this is definitely a good trade for me. Right now, I'm probably thinking, I should have risked more so I could have made more money. That's my short-term mindset that's going on. But long-term, I know I don't need to risk more because the market is going to give me money that I earn through just doing my model that I want to do and trading how I want to trade. And if I trade smart, it's going to work out. And I mean, that's a big misconception with trading is you don't need results right now. You need results in, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, but you don't need results in a week. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm going to leave you guys with that. But yeah, peace out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Links in the description for if you need anything that I do. But yeah, peace.